Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we are diving into what many consider the best sunscreen from Beauty of Joesen, the Relief Sun Organic Sunscreen SPF50+, PA++++, enriched with rice and probiotics. If you're searching for a sunscreen that not only protects but also nourishes your skin, this might just be the one to add to your daily routine. This sunscreen is designed as a broad-spectrum protector, meaning it shields your skin from both UVA and UVB rays. With an impressive SPF 50+ and PA++++ rating, it offers high-level defense against the harmful effects of the sun, helping prevent sunburn, premature aging, and other sun-related skin damage. The formula is crafted to suit all skin types, whether you have dry, oily, or sensitive skin. It's gentle enough to avoid irritation or breakouts, making it a versatile choice for anyone looking for reliable sun protection without compromising skin health. One of the highlights of this product is its nourishing blend, which includes rice extracts and probiotics. Rice extract has been a long-time favorite in Korean skincare for its moisturizing and brightening properties. Probiotics support the skin's natural barrier, helping to maintain a balanced and healthy complexion. Together, these ingredients work not just to protect your skin from UV rays, but also to soothe, hydrate, and improve your skin's overall condition. The texture of the Relief Sun Organic Sunscreen is lightweight and smooth. It absorbs quickly into the skin without leaving a greasy residue, which is a common concern with many sunscreens. Plus, it's unscented, so it's ideal for those who prefer fragrance-free skincare products. While it offers long-lasting protection, it is also water-resistant, providing up to 80 minutes of coverage during activities like swimming or sweating. Of course, reapplication every 2 hours is recommended for continuous protection. In terms of application, this sunscreen spreads evenly and blends seamlessly on the skin. It provides a subtle, natural finish without a heavy white cast, although very fair skin tones might notice a slight whitening effect due to its mineral ingredients. Its moisturizing properties make it a perfect base under makeup or worn alone for a fresh, natural look. This product comes in a compact package, easy to carry around for daily use and reapplication. It fits well into any skincare regimen, especially for those who embrace Korean beauty solutions focused on skin health and nourishment. Overall, the Relief Sun Organic Sunscreen SPF 50+, PA++++ by Beauty of Joesen is a comprehensive sunscreen solution that balances effective sun protection with skin-loving ingredients. It's a great pick for anyone wanting a reliable, nourishing sunscreen that keeps skin hydrated, comfortable, and safe from the sun's harsh rays. That's all for today's review on Product Critique. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest product insights. Stay protected and see you next time.